Okay, good morning. I don't know, some of you might be doing this on Monday or Tuesday. It's a pretty simple lesson today. The end of chapter 8 it's just memorization. There's no real deep concepts. So this week in math should be pretty simple. If you did Monday's lesson or 8, 9, today is very simple. You could probably do both in one day. I'll probably post 6 lessons this week because 8, 9, and 8, 10 are just very simple. And they're very related, and you can pretty much get them done in one day. But, just go at your own pace, what works for you. But I know some people are already almost done with Unit 8 because it is a pretty easy unit, conceptually wise. It's things we've covered before, so it is what it is. We're going to go back to chapter 6 after 8. But I think we're going to spend this week finishing 8 up. And I don't know if I can figure out a way to test you guys on this, but we'll figure it out as we go. I got to figure out first how to have the Zoom meetings without it being so choppy. But we'll figure that out. So today, it's just basically figuring out volume. And I have the wrong label for this. This is visualizing. Let me pull this up. Yeah, it is visualizing. Where do I have that? Just making sure I have it on your thing. Yes. So it is. Yeah, let's just make sure I have the right title. So visualize volume. So, it's really similar to what we did in the previous lesson. So volume is length times width times height. So the beginning of this is the same thing, counting cubes, figuring it out. But then the second page is actually just using this formula to find your volume. So we'll just do one real quick. I'll try to actually make it. So let's see. I should do a video lesson for you guys for point perspective so you can do this, make your own. So this is the thing. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll do a drawing video for you guys just for the weekend so you guys can do some practice drawing. Just keep you busy. I think I could do that. I could do some point perspective drawing. That'd be fun. Okay, well, here's our cube. So we got to find out. So let's use centimeters and we'll measure it. So this side is the height is 13 centimeters. The width, 10 centimeters, and the length is 15 centimeters. Okay, so this is pretty simple. I just have to do the math and multiply. So my length, 15 centimeters, times my width, 10 centimeters, times my height, 13 centimeters. Okay, I can do the 10 times any of these pretty easy. So I'll do 10 times 15. Let's do my math over here. 150 times 13. And sorry, I'm kind of hard for me to write on an angle right now, but it's just the way it is. 3 times 0, 0. Whoops, it's just 0. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4. Put my placeholder. It's a 1, so I just write down the same number. Okay, now I add these up. Okay, so my volume for this is 1,950 cubic centimeters. So that's it. That's the lesson. It's very simple today. I'm not going to go over much. I think you could probably do lesson 9 and 10 together, and I think I'm going to put that on your, now that I've taught the lessons, I'm going to put that on your schedule for the week. So I think, maybe Monday, do both these lessons. Okay? It shouldn't be too hard. And I'll put a note in the schedule, I have it right here, for you guys to do that. Okay? All right. Hope you're all doing well and not getting too bored. Okay? That's why I will post the drawing video for the weekends. And I have the art challenge I'm going to repost. So check. It is do an art piece that represents something you learned in math this year. Okay? And I will mail a prize for the best one. Maybe the best two. Okay? All right. Take care. Bye.